Hi, I'm 58 and I just became a YouTuber. And this is my first YouTube video. If you're a woman over 50 and you like wine and you like yoga, then this is the place for you. My name is GinaMarie and I'm so happy that you're here. The name of my channel is Wine Down Wednesdays. Every Wednesday, I will be posting a video. Some weeks it will be wine, some weeks it will be yoga, and other weeks I will find a creative way to combine the two. If this sounds like something that interests you, please join me on my journey. As I mentioned, this is my first YouTube video. So I'm very excited to be making videos and I'm learning a lot. Making videos is fun and it can also be challenging. So when I first started making videos, I ordered all of the equipment that I thought I would need. So I ordered a ring light, I ordered a microphone, and I ordered a stand. And then I started to create some videos. And as I was filming my first video and setting up my equipment, I think I knocked over my ring light about at least 10 times. So one thing I got very good at when I'm making videos is making sure that I have a stable ring light that can make it to the end of the video. I also learned how to repair the ring light. One other thing that I learned about making YouTube videos is that it's very important how you make the video. I was so excited that I made 3 videos pretty quickly, and I made them in a vertical format. When I went to put them onto YouTube, I realized that in order to post them, they had to be filmed in a horizontal format. So it's a good learning experience, and now I am back to creating those videos over again. And I'm very excited that this is going to be the first video that I publish on YouTube. So how did I get here? I spent 3 decades in corporate America. I was a chemist, I was a corporate trainer, and a project manager. I also studied wine and yoga on the side. Last year, I realized that I really wanted to follow my passions. And my 2 biggest passions are wine and yoga. And I knew in order to do that, I would have to retire from my current position. That was a really difficult decision to make. And I ended up working with a coach. And my coach really helped me to create a plan and determine what I really wanted to do with my future. And she helped me to come up with the courage to retire from my previous job. So I could have stayed at that job. It was very stable and I enjoyed it. But I knew deep down that I really had passions for wine and yoga, and I really wanted to follow my passions and go in that direction. So shortly after retiring earlier this year, I started a business and I started this YouTube channel. So both of those are very new endeavors for me, and it's been a learning process and I'm enjoying it completely. The videos that I'm going to make on this channel will be wine and yoga, as I mentioned. So if that sounds good to you, please subscribe to my channel. You can also click on the bell and it will let you know when I have a new video posted, and you can share it with your friends if you enjoy them. So each week, again, I'll be posting a wine video or a yoga video or the combination of the two. I have been studying yoga for about 20 years. And as I've become 58 and as I entered my 50s, I realized that I wasn't sleeping as well as I used to sleep. And I found that doing yoga before bed really helped me to fall asleep faster, to stay asleep, and to sleep through the night. So I started creating yoga videos for myself and yoga practices for myself. And those are the type of videos that I'm going to put on this channel. I also like gentle yoga as I've moved into my 50s. So my videos will be gentle yoga flows. They will be yin yoga and also restorative yoga. I also love to do yoga because I believe it's anti-aging, and it helps with balance, it helps with flexibility, mobility, and with stress, all of the things that are very important as we age. So that's what my videos will focus on. I've also been studying wine for about 20 years, another topic that I really enjoy, and I'm still learning every day. I'm also a certified wine educator, and I have a wine diploma. So I'm really happy that I'm going to be able to share my experience and my passion of wine here on YouTube. The types of YouTube videos I will make for wine will be wine education. I'll be making wine tasting videos, and the wine education videos will focus on different regions of the world and different grapes and how the wines can be the same or different depending on the grape that is used in the wine. What I really want to do is help empower women over 50 to really be able to feel confident about having an intelligent conversation about wine. Also, when you go into your favorite wine store, I want you to be able to pick out a wine easily based on what you know that you like, and be able to go exactly to that wine in the wine store and purchase it. I would also like you to go out to a restaurant and be able to, again, confidently make a choice for a wine that will go with whatever meal that you're having at the restaurant. And if you're invited to a party, I also want you to be the person who brings the best wine, the most popular wine to that party. So if you like that, I think you're in the right place, and please stay on this journey with me. A few of the videos that will be coming out soon, I will be doing some gentle yoga videos, and it will be focusing on yoga flow and a body scan to help you relax and to help you sleep. So, and to relieve stress. The wine videos that I will be making will be focusing on how to taste wine. So we'll go through the process of tasting wine. So what do you look for when you're having a wine? What should it look like? What should it smell like? What does it taste like? And in that beginner series, we will be tasting white wines, we'll be tasting red wines, rosé wines, and sparkling wines. So I'm really excited to get started on these videos, and I hope you're excited too. And thank you so much for watching my first video. And please join me again and subscribe if you like my channel. Click the bell if you want to be notified when I have a new video coming out, and share it with your friends. So please join me on my journey. I'm so excited to be here, and I'm so excited that you're here. So cheers.